Okay children, let's do the next exercise. Okay, before going to the next exercise, you've been seeing very no, you are very lazy, you're looking very lazy and you're looking very tired. Let's sing a song and we play a game and let's continue, and then we continue the exercise. Let's play a song, let's sing a song of alphabets. Yes, let's sing together. Let's sing together. A, B. Let's sing together. Sing, come on. That everybody should come and sing the song. I will tell you 1, 2, 3. After 1, 2, 3, you want to sing a song. 1, 2, and 3, and go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Okay, cheer up. Come on, jump. Sit down. Stand, sit, stand, jump, sit, stand, jump, stand, sit, sit down. Okay children, did you got a cheer up? Come on, just clap your hands. Okay, get cheer up. Let's go to the next exercise. Yes, very good. Okay, see the next exercise. Write the missing vowels and complete each word. We want to find out the word and we want to find out the vowel and we want to complete each word. Okay, look at the first picture. This is leaf. What is the spelling you are getting? Any vowel sound you are hearing? Okay, before going this, you know what is a vowel? What are the vowel word? You know it? Did you remember it? A. Tell me. A. E. I. O. U. A. E. I. O. U. There are 5 vowel letters, isn't it? Okay. Now you are going to find out the missing vowel letter. What is this? This is a leaf. You are getting any E sound. What are the vowel word? A, E, I, O, U. In that you are having any E word in vowel? Because in a leaf you are having a E sound. Yes, E, leaf. Okay, next one is, what is this? You daily take bath, isn't it? Yes, very good children. If you want to take a bath every day, isn't it? Okay, what is this? This is a soap. Okay, what is the sound you are hearing? Oh, soap. Yes, O sound. O. Okay, look at this picture. This is a lion, but what the lion is doing? Lion is roaring. Yes, if the lion makes a sound, what is the sound called? Roar. Isn't it? Roar. Okay, what is the spelling you are getting? Roar. Yes, you are getting a O sound. Okay, look at this picture. What is it this picture is showing? This picture is showing like this, isn't it? Yes. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Is it 3? Isn't it? 3. You're getting a E longer. 3. Okay, now look at this side children. What is this? This is brain. Very good. This is a brain. If you are getting E sound, we want to write I, isn't it? The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. Brain. Yes, I. Okay, let's look at the next picture. This is coat. O sound. Coat. You are hearing any O sound? Yes, you are hearing a O sound. Shall I write it here? Yes, coat. Okay, what is this? This is not a seed, this is a bean, this is a coffee bean. Okay, the coffee powders are made by using this Coffee beans, isn't it? Okay, do you drink coffee? Okay, we want to take a coffee at least once for a day. Okay, we don't want to take a coffee at every day. It's not a good for health. You can drink a milk every day because a milk have a calcium content, isn't it? I told you, no. Very nice. Okay, let's come to this exercise. What is this? This is a bean. E. What is the sound you are getting? B. Bean. Very good. G. Bean. Okay, next look at this picture. What is this? This is road. Road. You're getting a sound. Road. Yes, you're getting a sound. Okay, isn't it? Very nice. Okay, this is leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. This is soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. This is roar. The line is roaring. R-O-A-R. Roar. This is tree. T-H-R-E-E. Tree. This is brine. B-R-A-I-N. Brine. This is coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. This is bean. B-E-A-N. Bean. This is road. R-O-A-D. Road. Okay, children. Now you got it. Let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's see the one more very interesting exercise regarding vowels. Okay, let's see the exercise. Okay, look at the picture, children. Look at the books carefully. Circle the double vowels words with E-E, E-A, A-I. Write the words in the blanks. Okay, first we are going to circle the double vowels word. Double vowels word means they have given it, isn't it? E, E-A and E-I. Let's see and check where the double vowels word is appear and we will make a circle. Okay, let's go to the first one. Seed. Yes, E-E-D. Seed. D. Seed. You're having a double vowel word. Shall I circle it? Yes. Shall I circle it? Very nice, children. Okay, let's move to the next word. W-E-A-K. See here two vowel word has been common, isn't it? E-A. E-A. W-E-A-K. Week. Okay, see here two vowel word has been common together, isn't it? So shall I put a circle here? Yes, very good. I'm going to put a circle here. Let's go to the third one. See here, M-A-N-E. Main. M-A-N-E. Main. See here vowel has been common A and E also vowel, but it does not comes together, isn't it? Like a E-A, isn't it? The A and E does not comes together, so we does not put a circle here. Okay, but A and E are vowels. Okay, let's go to the fourth word. C-A-N-E. Can. C-A-N-E. Can. Okay, children. Okay, listen here. In this word, A and E are vowels, but it does not appears in together, isn't it? The A and E does not comes together, so we does not put the circle here. Okay, let's move to the next word. P-I-N-E. Pine. P-I-N-E. Pine. Okay, listen, children. Here I and E are vowels, isn't it, children? I and E are vowels, but here the vowels does not comes together, so we does not put a circle here, just put a cross mark. Okay, let's move to the next word. F R E E, free. F R E E, free. Free means free. If you get something Milo or something Complan, then will you get a free, no, isn't it? Yes, free batch or free cups. That's a free thing, okay, which does not cost. Free means we can get something which does not have to pay the money. There is no need to pay the money, okay. Okay, let's see here. Here the ER vowel and here one E is vowel, but the both vowel word comes together. So shall I put a circle here? Yes. If vowels comes together, we want to make a circle it. Okay, then see the next word, B A G, bag. B A G, bag. Okay, but here the A is vowel, but it does not comes or does not comes along with any other vowel. So we does not put a circle, just put a cross mark. Okay, just listen to this and next word, M E N D, mend. M E N D, mend. Okay, children, listen here. Here the E alone vowel, isn't it, children? E alone vowel, but if E which does not have another vowel, E does not comes along with the other vowel, so we does not make a circle. Okay, just put a cross mark and let's move to the next word, T E A T. Okay, do you love tea? Yes, you love tea, isn't it? The tea comes from tea leaves, isn't it? Okay, did you go went to Kerala or Ooty, you can see the tea leaves, isn't it? Okay, that from the tea leaves they are making a tea extract, tea powder they are making. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to this, T E A T. Okay, listen here. Here two vowels has been coming together. E and A are vowels, but the both vowels come together. So shall I put a circle here? Okay, let's move to the next word, D E E P, deep. Deep means too long. D E E P, deep. Okay, see here two vowels has been common. E double E is common and the two vowels are comes together. Okay, so if a vowels comes together, we want to make a circle. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next one. F R A I L, frail. F R A I L, frail. Okay, listen here. Here two vowels has been common. A and I, the both are vowels. The both are comes together. Okay, so shall I put a circle? Okay, let's move to this one. B E A T, beat. B E A T, beat. Okay, children, let's see this. The E is a vowel and A is also a vowel. The both vowel comes together, isn't it? If the both vowels comes together, we have to, yes, we have to make a circle. Very nice. Good. Okay, let's move to the next word. S E A T, seat. Isn't it? Yes, E A T, seat. Okay, here see what are the vowel word here? E and A are vowel word. The both are comes together, isn't it? The E and A both are comes together. So we should put a circle here. Okay, let's move to the next word, log. L O G, log. L O G, log. Okay, here O is a vowel, but it have only one vowel, isn't it? But we need a two vowel word. Two vowel word should be together, but it does not have a two vowel word, isn't it? Okay, this is not. Make a circle. Okay, let's move to the next one. Zip. Z I P, zip. Okay, here the I is a vowel, but only the I is a vowel, which does not have another vowel, so you does not make a circle. Just put a cross mark. Okay, let's move to the next one. H E A T, heat. Heat means which is so hot. H E A T, heat. See here, E and A are vowels. Both vowels comes together. If the vowels comes together, we make a circle. Isn't it, children? Did you understand? Okay, let's move to the next one. Leaf. L E A F, leaf. L E A F, leaf. Leaf means you will find it out in a tree, isn't it? What is the color of the leaf? Yes, the color of the leaf is green color. Very nice. If the leaf get dries, what is the color of the leaf then? If the actual color of the leaf is green color, but it get dry, then it will become a pale yellow or sometimes in orange color, isn't it? After it get dry, the leaf will become orange or yellow in color. Okay, very nice. Okay, brilliant, children. You're all knowing everything, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the exercise. See here, E, A, the both are vowels and the both vowels are coming together. If the vowels comes together, what we want to make it? Yes, we want to make a circle. Okay, let's move to the next word. F O G, fog. F O G, fog. Okay, having a O is a vowel, but the only O is a vowel. There is a no other vowel words. So we cannot make a circle. Just put a cross. Okay, let's move to the next word. Cut. C A T, cut. Okay, C A T, cut. Okay, if you see here, only the A is a vowel. There is a no other vowel word. So we should not make a circle. Just put a cross when. Okay, just move to this one. Bake. B A K E, bake. Listen here. See here carefully. Here two vowels words are there. One is a A and another one is E. But the A and E does not comes together. Okay, if the vowels comes together only, we want to make a circle. But here two vowels are there, but it does not comes together. So we does not make a circle. Just put a cross mark. Okay. Okay, so far we haven't seen the words with EE, EA and AI. Okay, with the vowels the vowels will come together, then we will make a circle. Okay, so far we have seen that. Now we are going to take the particular word and going to write it on that line. Let's see. Okay, first word we find out seed. What is the spelling for the seed? Yes, E E D, seed. Okay, very good. Okay, in the next letter, week. W E A K, week. Okay, and the third word is T E A T. And the next word is seed. S E A T, seed. And the next word leaf. L E A F, leaf. And move to the next set of lines. Okay, the next word free. F R E E, free. Next word deep. D E E P, deep. Okay, and the next word frail. Spelling for frail is F R A I L, frail. And the next word beat. B E A T, beat. Okay, and the last word is heat. H E A T, heat. Okay, listen, the two vowels are comes together. Okay, listen carefully, the two vowels are comes together. E E, S E E D, seed, week. W E A K, week. This week is not that days or month related week. This week is related to strongness. Okay, if you're not strong, if you get fever, then you will become a weak. So only you want to eat a lot of food which have a protein content. Okay children, just take a lot of proteins, then only you become very strong. Okay, TEAT, seat, SEAT, seat. Leaf, LEAF, leaf. Free, FREE, free. Deep, DEEP, deep. Frail, FRAIL, frail. Beat, BEAT, beat. Heat, HEAT, heat. Okay children, did you enjoy this exercise? Let's move to the next exercise.